How do you protect your script before sending it out?
WGA. Register it. Copywriting isn't the worst idea either, but I think most WGA, get it registered with the WGA. It's like $20. You can do it online. It takes like 5 minutes, if that, and you're covered. I think it covers you for up to 5 years. Renew it after that, that's and copywriting to a degree, but I think in the business, as long as you have a WGA, I know there have been a lot of instances of people having their work stolen, et cetera, and it's, I should say a lot, but there are instances of it. I think people are more, I don't know. Again, I've heard of it happening, but I think it happens less than maybe people think, that stealing material. You guys may have heard of more so, but I've always known that, there are some instances, like I know the Coming to America script was like a big deal, that somebody claimed that Eddie Murphy stole that, stole their idea, and it was a whole lawsuit. Dodgeball, I believe, was another one. Again, I would say to cover yourself and your story, WGA. WGA West or East, they have registration. You go in there, and that definitely covers you up too. It gives you a little, or gives you a lot of comfort knowing that you're there, that you have your script registered. Not
mailing it to yourself. Poor man's copyright.
That's a good question. I mean, potentially, but you could do that. But I would also say, and I think also with, having electronic documentation, if you do send it out, can't hurt. Correspondent, I don't know if people write many letters anymore, but having physical correspondence. But I think the WGA is definitely the easiest and the smartest way to go.
Are you careful with who you share your ideas with?
Mm-hmm. I am. Family members ask, I will tell them. Friends who I've known for a while. Sometimes I'll be out and we'll, whenever I'm among people who, especially the writers group I share, and I've shared it with some other folks. I don't get too, and I'm gonna knock wood here. I don't get too worried about it. Again, because I know that I have my script registered and all that, and I have a good lawyer. I have a really good lawyer, so they can try, but he's a savage, so, and he's pretty well known, so he can try. I don't think it would be a good idea.